Hello dear, today I am going to discuss with you next level of factorization. See here, factorize x raised to the power 2, that is x square minus y square minus 2y minus 1. We have to factorize this. Okay, so let us start. X square minus y square minus 2y minus 1. This is based on a square minus 2ab or plus 2ab minus 2ab plus b square gives the formula a plus b or minus whole square. Okay, in this case we have 2 and this is a square and this is b square. It means that these three terms are familiar. These three terms are familiar of this formula. Okay, see here, x square we take minus as a common from these last three terms. Okay, use bracket. This is y square plus 2y plus 1 y plus, because we take minus as a common, then change sign. When we remove this bracket, then minus plus minus minus plus minus minus plus minus. Okay, when we use minus sign before this bracket, then we have to change sign each terms within bracket. This is x square. Now it is based on a square plus, see here, 2. This one is a and 1 is written as 1 ka square and see here is 1. Now this whole term is equivalent to this algebraic expression. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this result give x square minus y plus 1 ka whole square. Now it is based on formula of a square minus b square. You know formula of a square minus b square. A square minus b square give a minus b and this one is a plus b. Okay, putting this value on the base of this formula, the first say a minus b. So a means x minus b means y plus 1. After that a plus b using curly bracket, a means this one is x plus b means y plus 1. Close with curly bracket. Now remove this curly bracket. Use a small bracket. X minus. When we remove this small bracket, then minus plus minus y minus plus minus 1. And in this case, x we have plus sign, so do not change sign within curly bracket. See a small bracket. Then this one is plus y plus 1. This is your required factors of this algebraic expression. Okay. Now dear, next one is 9a square minus b square plus 4b minus 4. Again see here, this is a middle term of this formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, 2ab. It represents even number 2ab. Okay, this side also 2ab and 4 is a multiple of this 2. This equal to 9a square. This last three terms are familiar because in this term we have not a, terms of a. So use bracket. This becomes b square. We take minus as a common, so this plus sign change into minus 4b and this minus sign change into plus 4. Now see here, this is 9a square minus, use curly bracket, and this b square is written as b ka whole square minus, according to formula we have 2 and this one is b, 4 is written as 2 ka square. So from b we have 2, so 2 to the 4b. It represent a square, it represent minus 2ab, it represent b square. So this is based on a square minus 2ab plus b square, and the result of this algebraic expression is a minus b ka whole square. Minus 9a square is written as 3a ka whole square. Now again this is based on a square minus b square. So first of all a minus b, after that use curly bracket. Again curly bracket, this one is a plus b minus 2. Now remove curly bracket. Use a small bracket. This one is 3a. Before this bracket we have minus sign, so change sign. Minus plus minus b minus minus plus 2. Now in this case also 3a plus b minus 2. This is your factors of this given algebraic expression. Okay dear, now last one is 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc and 49c square. See here, in this term we have b and c, the last three terms as a familiar of this formula, so 25a square, last three terms separate for within bracket, so we use this minus sign and using bracket. This one is 4b square, we have minus sign, so use change of this side, so minus 28bc plus 49c square. Now see, this one is 25a square, this a small bracket change into curly bracket. Now this 4b square is written as 2b ka whole square minus 2, a means 2b, and this one is written as 7c ka whole square. It represents b square, so from b square we take b, 7c. Now multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 into 7 becomes 28. That's all. This algebraic expression based on this formula, it gives a minus b ka whole square, because we have minus 2ab. Now 25a square is written as 5a ka whole square, and this whole expression based on a minus b ka whole square, so a means 2b minus b means 7c ka whole square. Now again this is based on a square minus b square, so first of all a minus b, then after a plus b, so 5a minus 2b minus 7c, this is a minus b. After that a plus b, so this is 5a plus 2b minus 7c. Before this a small bracket we have minus sign, so this curly bracket change into a small bracket, and this one is 5a minus 2b plus 7c. 5a plus 2b minus 7c, which is required factors of this given algebraic expression. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.